How to fix liked videos not showing on TikTok. Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to guide you that how to fix liked videos not showing on TikTok. So the process is very easy. You just have to follow me step by step, and let's dive into the video without wasting any time. So first you have to open your TikTok app, and once you're on your TikTok app, you have to click this profile icon and then choose these three lines on the top right corner. Now you have to click settings and privacy, and once you're on this menu you have to scroll down and choose report a problem. Once you choose report a problem, you have to choose that says follow, likes, comments and favorites, and here you have to choose others. Now you simply have to click need more help. And now you have to write in this feedback box that your liked videos are not showing and you have to get them fixed. And then you have to hit submit. Once you hit submit, TikTok is going to contact you in 24 to 48 hours and it's going to fix your issue. So that's the process that you can follow to do so. I hope you found the process easy and liked my video. And if you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you again.